cool. And also, our universities looking for kids to have some of this?
So something that's really important, are we going? Okay. What's really important around career technical education and programs like the Switch Vehicle program is that it gives students more deeper learning than just the hands-on technical aspect of this learning. There's a lot of talk around how we need to ensure more of our students are college and career ready as they graduate high school. That involves way more than just what they learn in their academics or the book learning, the classroom learning that they have. There's a lot of skills that's required in both post-secondary education at our university level, but more importantly in the real world of work around what we call soft skills. And we've heard from major employers loud and clear that our graduates from across all levels of education don't have that. What does that look like? In 21st century, are they engaged in and capable of real good communication skills? And that's communication skills, it's in writing, it's verbal. Can they work in teams? Collaboration. If you walk into a work environment today, most of the time you're not going to see people working in cubicles. So we have to take our students out from behind their individual desk in the classroom so that they're now working in teams and they're collaborating. Critical thinking. This kind of program really brings critical thinking skills to the forefront. And then there's just the whole idea of how do we solve problems when it's not written in front of us. We don't have the directions here to solve a real problem. These students experienced that. There were a number of challenges as they went through this program. They had to stop and go, oh, wait, it's not written in this manual, so how do we solve that? How do we get to the end result that we need? And that kind of learning is so important. It's important for success in college, and certainly it's required of our local employers.
That was awesome.